outside turn, anytime our hand goes away from the center. It doesn't matter who's turning. Does that make sense? It has no relevance as to whether it's the right or the left side. Right? So let's start one more time. Ready? So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, change, roll. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and back, 6, 7. Now change the area again. 5, 6, 7. Good. Not bad. All right. So the idea is to be able to express that position, right? So one of the things that I want you guys to understand is when you're dancing socially, you are actually welcome and encouraged to play with motion. So when we first learn dancing, we're actually described by footwork. Your footwork is actually the consequence of your movement. So I want you to relate dancing exactly as what you do when you drive a car. If you're driving your car, what are you thinking of? Where you're going, right? How many of you are looking at the tires? You'll die, right? So it's not the tires. Your legs are a consequence. Your legs are your tires. Don't think about the legs. The legs will develop if the body moves.